Welcome to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of motorhomes, focusing on the latest models hitting the market in 2025. While there's been buzz about various brands entering the camper truck segment, it's essential to note that, as of now, Apple has not released a motorhome or camper truck model. However, several other manufacturers have introduced innovative and luxurious motorhomes this year. Let's explore some of these standout models. 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome ***. Toyota has unveiled its 2025 camper motorhome, blending reliability with modern design. This model boasts a sleek exterior with LED headlights and a high roofline, making it both stylish and functional. Inside, the camper is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and comfort. It features a convertible bed system accommodating up to 4 people, a compact kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop and mini fridge, and a small wet bath with a toilet and shower. The seating area includes rotating front seats and a foldable dining table, enhancing its multifunctionality. Storage compartments are strategically placed throughout the interior to cater to various needs. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome starts at $65,000. Site Turn 0 Search 0. 2025 OGV Luxury Coach V Cruise 10 OBA ***. For those seeking a more upscale experience, the 2025 OGV Luxury Coach V Cruise 10 OBA offers a blend of luxury and functionality. This all-wheel drive RV is powered by a 2.0L high-output diesel engine, ensuring both power and efficiency. The exterior showcases an obsidian black metallic paint with blackout rims, exuding sophistication. Inside, the cream and black oak satin decor create a modern and inviting atmosphere. The motorhome is equipped with advanced features such as lithium batteries, Apple TV, wireless internet, and more, ensuring a comfortable and connected journey. The 2025 OGV Luxury Coach V Cruise 10 OBA is priced at $164,989, reflecting a 33% discount from its original MSRP of $247,045. Site Turn 0 Search 1. 2025 Smart Motorhome ***. Smart has entered the motorhome market with its 2025 model, focusing on compactness and efficiency. This motorhome is designed for urban explorers and adventure seekers alike. It features a small footprint for easy parking and navigation through tight spaces. The powertrain is likely electric or hybrid, aligning with sustainability goals. Inside, the space-saving design includes multifunctional furniture, a pop-up roof for increased headroom, and advanced technology such as a large touchscreen display with navigation and entertainment options. The use of recycled and eco-friendly materials throughout the motorhome emphasizes Smart's commitment to sustainability. The 2025 Smart Motorhome is priced at $120,000. Site Turn 0 Search 2. 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome ***. Chevrolet's 2025 camper motorhome combines power with luxury. Buyers can choose between a 6.6L V8 gasoline engine delivering approximately 401 h